This outdoor motion sensor solar light is ideal or perfect for porch, garden, yard, driveway, front door, perimeter wall, garage, walkway, patio, and over the window. It is waterproof and designed to function in all kinds of weather. It has three modes. Mode 1, light turns on bright from 20 to 30 seconds when it senses motion. Mode 2, light turns on low bright from 20 to 30 seconds when it senses motion. Mode 3, light turns on low bright at night. Motion sensor disabled. This is the instruction manual and the remote control. This is the mounting bracket which allows the unit to be rotated and set at an angle you prefer. A set of screws for attaching the mounting bracket to a wall. And this is the motion sensor solar light lamp unit. Let's do an inspection. On this side is the solar panel. This is the front view and you'll see 77 LEDs. There are 7 clusters and each cluster has 11 LEDs. On this side is where you sit it on the mounting bracket. So here is where I installed the unit on the driveway. Now let's find out how the light sensor will work at night time. I'm going towards the lamp. Good. Light turns on as it detects my movement. Here's the surrounding. It's pitch black. And you see how bright the lamp is from a distance of about 20 feet. Based on my stopwatch, the light stays on for 25 seconds before it turns off. At night, a small red light flashes periodically, which gives an impression that it is a CCTV and that it is monitoring and recording, but it is not. However, it serves as a warning against intruders.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.